So today I want to show you a very beautiful Airbnb or glamping spot near the Tequendama town, which is close to the waterfall, to the El Salto de Tequendama. The place is about 30 minutes away from the town. It's in a relatively remote and natural area, so it's a good spot to just chill, watch birds, and just enjoy the landscape, the mountains. There aren't many places to walk around in this area, so it's just more for like chilling and enjoying the place itself. The people running this place also offer restaurant services like breakfast and lunch and other meals at your discretion. You can also rent the jacuzzi and just enjoy it. You can rent it for 1 or 2 hours and enjoy the landscape. It's a very nice place for a romantic getaway. So if you're looking to find an Airbnb with nature and quiet and private, I definitely recommend this glamping spot in or near the Tequendama waterfall.